Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you my SodaStream Fizzi, show you how to use it, and give my review on it. So the SodaStream Fizzi is one of their cheaper models of the SodaStream, but it still does a fantastic job of making carbonated water. So this is what the SodaStream Fizzi looks like. Got a big button right here, a part here where you're going to attach the bottle to it, and then the back, this is where you can store the CO2 canister. I've also read online that some people can create an attachment to hook up their own CO2 canisters and save a little bit of money. So the SodaStream Fizzi comes with a 1 liter bottle, but I've also purchased these half-liter ones, which I prefer a lot more. And you need these bottles for it to be able to make your carbonated water. So on the bottle, it's going to have a fill line. So you want to have it just above that so that the nozzle on the machine can carbonate the water. The next step is connect the bottle into the machine, putting it up there, sliding it forwards. You're then going to press on the button for about 1 second, and you can do this for as many times as desired. I usually like to do about 3 pumps. There you have your carbonated water. SodaStream comes with their own versions of diet and regular sodas. You got diet lemon lime, diet ginger ale that was made with stevia, diet caffeine-free cola, and diet cola. I like the diet caffeine-free cola a lot, so I want to mix that up. And this is where the magic begins. You're going to pour this into the soda. Then you put the cap on and tilt it sideways, get it mixed up. Delicious. So the SodaStream Fizzi does a great job of turning regular old water into carbonated water. And then they have a wide variety of different flavors that you can add into it to make it your own special carbonated drink. I even buy things such as liquid water enhancer or Mio to add into it to give me a little bit of a different taste. They also make things from Bubly and a few different other brands that you can add into your water and make it very similar to that. What I like about it is you don't have to have big plastic bottles for this. If you live in an apartment building, this is fantastic because you won't have to carry up heavy 2-liter bottles. You can get everything you need just from your tap and from the grocery store in smaller amounts. You can get the SodaStream Fizzi for $120 roughly in Canada, or sometimes it goes on sale for $99. It is well worth the money, in my opinion. I really like the taste of their Diet Cola. I actually like it better than Coke or Pepsi. They really nail the flavor, and having a quick, easy, caffeine-free version is fantastic. Overall, the SodaStream Fizzi as an appliance gets a 9 out of 10 from me. It is just so useful if you're a pop drinker or soda drinker, and it helps it helps with dieting because I like the carbonated beverages that have 0 calories in them to help me whenever I'm hungry. So yeah, the SodaStream Fizzi is great. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button below to see some more content similar to this, and I'll see you guys next time.